Good day, everyone. I want to thank the ex-DA Minister of Forestry, Fisheries and Environment, Deon George, for just being honest. And there's a scandal around Deon George at the moment where many accusations have been made against him. He has since resigned, basically forced out after John Steenhuisen received these allegations, had a meeting with him, and he subsequently resigned, and he has been replaced in the meantime. But in a headline in News 24, it says ex-DA Minister George faces sexual misconduct claims amid bullying and lavish trips. Now, I don't want to go into the dirt or the muck of what people claim happened with Deon George. I want to focus on the fact that this is a systemic failure, that Deon George has worked most of his life within the Democratic Alliance, and that this is party patronage coming to the fore. He made claims that he is not competent to actually do the job, and this is to overseas diplomats, etc. So to people that he should actually hold South Africa, or try and hold South Africa in high esteem. He would make comments like, I'm not qualified, all the other DA ministers aren't qualified, and that they are useless. These are the kinds of things that he said, and many people can just say the man's becoming senile, he doesn't know what he's talking about. But he spoke his mind, and it doesn't matter how disgusting or balked he might have been in the office. Those are allegations made against him, and I'm not going to defend him at all. He's speaking the truth about the party system, where we did not elect this man. We did not elect Deon George. Through party patronage, through looking after the party for many years, he has been rewarded with a ministerial position. And I'm sure Helen Zille had a lot to do with that appointment. And when she was asked for comment, she said she's heard nothing of this. So John Steenhuisen was directly involved as the party leader. And you need to understand that the system we are in right now, it doesn't matter what the best intentions might be, or the DA saying that they're a clean party. I was there. Better than the ANC or better than the other parties. The system turns you into a monster. And this is the problem that we are stuck with. And I can tell you, it's not just Deon George behaving like this. It's many other people in political circles. It's many other people within the Democratic Alliance. It's many other people within all the other parties within this political system. Because the system creates monsters. It gives you power, and people change when they are handed that power, especially people that admit that they are not qualified to do the job. Doesn't have the acumen to do that. And if we have the opportunity as the public to elect our leaders directly, in other words, elect our MPs directly, for instance, we can be held to account for not checking their personalities, their character, etc. We can be held to account, but at the moment that's not the case. At the moment, the Democratic Alliance and the African National Congress and the EFF and the MKP decide who they deploy to Parliament. They vote for who the president is. We elect nothing. We just vote for a party. And it's time that people start to understand how broken that system is. That we need better accountability. So that what Deon George says does not literally timestamp this blotted part of South African history, where we put a system together through a constitution that was hailed around the world, that has actually caused the downfall of the country. And I always say, look at the evidence. A lot of people might disagree with me and say there's nothing wrong with our constitution, the Frans Cronjes of the world and many others. All we need to do is put better people there, or get one big centralist party. You are wrong. You are wrong. We need direct accountability. We need to elect our leaders, and we need a mechanism to kick them out if they are not performing or not doing their jobs. We need a way for staff working within ministries to report how the minister is doing, to see how they are doing throughout their tenure, and to train people to be competent in doing their jobs. None of this is the case at the moment. You're just told, here's your access pass, this is the people working for you, and then the rest is history. People, tell me in the comments what you think. Should we change our current political system to one where we directly elect our leaders so that we can hold them accountable, so that things like the saga with Dion George and all the things being claimed around him does not happen? He might claim that this is a smear campaign against him, and I believe he's probably right, because I think there's many others like him, as backwards, as debased, as common, as unqualified as him, as he claims. Thanks so much. Till the next video.